Before we get into today's video, guys, please make sure to go ahead and smash that red subscribe button and also ring that bell icon to stay up to date with all my amazing Minecraft videos. Hey guys, welcome back to another video with your main man, Smooth Marky, and in today's video, I'm going to be heading to the absolutely amazing PlayStation 5 dimension. That's right, guys. I'm going to be heading to the absolutely amazing, awesome, and epic PlayStation 5 dimension. And I just hope when I make it inside this dimension, I get to lay my eyes on the PlayStation 5. Because I absolutely love the PlayStation 5, guys, and I cannot wait to make it inside this dimension to see it, guys, because it is going to be absolutely amazing. It's probably going to blow my socks off when I see it. Like, I'm still going to be wearing my tennis shoes, but my socks are going to fly off out of my tennis shoes when I see this thing. But what you guys are going to need to head to this dimension is you're going to need 20 white wool. You want to go ahead and place 5 of these on the ground, just like that, right there, guys. Then you're going to need fur black wool. You want to go ahead and place 1 of these on each side of your white wool, just like that, right there, guys. After you have successfully done that, now you just want to go ahead, run, and jump on up. Grab your white wool and place 5 of these on this side with 1 black wool right on top. Now you can just go ahead and jump on down, son of a sheep. Wow, I never noticed that. Sheep's butts are actually box shaped. I did not know that sheep's butts were actually box shaped. Wow, guys, this changes my life forever. Forever, guys. But now you just want to go ahead and place 5 white wool on this side, and then 5 white wool smack dab right in the middle, and then 1 black wool on the edge. Now you can just go ahead, run, and jump on down and take a look at this absolutely amazing, beautiful, epic frame you have just created, guys. Wow, that is really nice. But now you just want to go ahead, whip out your flint and steel, and light this baby up. Boom! Wow, don't that look amazing? That looks so amazing. That should definitely make you guys want to scroll down and smash that red subscribe button. Wow, that really does look amazing. But now it's time to head into the PlayStation 5 dimension. This is going to be so amazing. Oh my God, guys. I cannot believe I am actually looking at the PlayStation 5, the PlayStation 5's controller, and a gigantic television. Oh my God, guys. This is the best day of my life. I cannot believe this. Look at how gigantic this PlayStation 5 controller is. That is absolutely amazing, guys. That is absolutely amazing. You know what? I could actually turn this controller into my Minecraft house. That's how big this controller is. Wow. I might actually do that. I might actually turn this PlayStation 5 controller into my Minecraft house. That would be so cool, guys. That would be so cool, but oh my God. Look at how gigantic and amazing this PlayStation 5 is. No way. We're actually going to be able to go inside this thing? I gotta do it, guys. I gotta do it. guys. It is absolutely amazing inside this PlayStation 5. It was amazing outside, but it's even more amazing inside. And whoa, I did not know Steve was living inside this PlayStation 5. Wow. I guess they just put him inside this PlayStation 5 like in case anything goes out, like the CPU. I think that might be the graphics card. There's also a fan. I'm a big fan of that fan. But wow, this is amazing. He got a really nice setup. He got triple beds. I gotta have a sleepover with him, guys. I gotta have a sleepover with him. And he also has a PC. This is obviously where he plays Minecraft. And he also has some chest. Let's go ahead and see what's inside these guys. Chicken and bread. He's obviously going to make himself a chicken sandwich. Let's go ahead and see what's inside this chest. Oh my god, he got some baked potatoes. I got to take at least one of those. He also has some cake. I'm going to take one of those as well. Wow, I cannot believe this. This is absolutely amazing. Do you want to have some cake with me, Steve? No, he's trying to keep his weight down right now, but you know what? I'll go ahead and have some. I'll leave half of it for you. I'll leave half of it for you later. You know, either you're going to get it or my pig's going to get it. Whoever gets it first can have it. Don't go messing with anything, pig. That CPU is not a toy. That fan, well, that fan might be a toy. But, oh my god, he's not even listening to me. There he goes, guys. He's going to start playing with stuff. He's going to turn this PlayStation 5 into an Xbox One. That's probably what's going to happen. But let's go ahead and get out of here before that happens. Because if that happens, Steve's going to be really mad. Let's go ahead and see where this leads to. Oh my god, what is this? What is this? I hope this don't lead to my doom, because that would be really bad. I don't even know if Doom's coming out on the PlayStation 5, so I don't think this will lead to my doom. At least I hope not. But wow, this is really dark and scary, guys. And no way! We're inside the television! Are you kidding me? And Steve is inside the television as well. Did you follow me? Is there another secret route into this television? He's not going to talk. He's not going to talk, but wow, this is an absolutely amazing place as well. I cannot believe this. He's living inside the television, and he's also living inside the PlayStation 5. This is crazy. This is absolutely insane. I cannot believe that I am actually inside a television right now. You know what? I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to put some TNT on the glass. That way, when somebody's playing the PlayStation 5, they'll be like, oh my god, there's TNT inside the television. and they won't know what to do. Hopefully they don't blow it up. You know what? This might all be a game right now. I might actually be a PlayStation 5 game right now, because when you think about it, the PlayStation 5 is hooked up to the television. The controller's right out there, guys. I'm a PlayStation 5 game right now in idle because nobody's playing. Whoa, my mind is blown right now, guys. My mind is absolutely blown by all of this. What do you think? What do you think, Steve? Well, I guess he don't really think. He don't really think much. He's probably an idol right now. But wow, I really, really love this bedroom. But you know what, guys? I think I would rather live in the PlayStation 5 because I really, really do love the PlayStation 5. You know what? I'm going to go ahead and put down some extra TNT. That way, when they come back, and they unpause the game, they'll be like, I don't remember putting all that TNT down. And then they get really freaked out. And they'll probably end up, just throwing their PlayStation 5 away because they think it's haunted. And then I'll pick it out of the garbage and I'll turn it into my new house. What do you think, Steve? Is that a good idea? Not a good idea at all? But I really want a PlayStation 5. Well, I don't like that look. I don't like that look. I'm going to go ahead and head on back to the PlayStation 5. Wow, guys. This has to be one of the greatest dimensions I've ever visited, guys. Wow, I really, really do love this dimension. I really love living inside this PlayStation 5. Wow, this place is just so amazing. Wow, I really, really do love this place, guys. And I really love how they placed that CPU. And also, I think that's a graphics card. And I'm a big fan of that fan. I really am. What, do you not like my jokes? Please be my friend. I'll give you some TNT. If you're my friend, I'll give you some TNT. Oh, I think he likes it. I think he likes it, guys. He definitely wants to be my friend. But wow, this place is amazing. I want to go outside. I want to get one more look at the outside of this place. Wow, that is so awesome, guys. That is so awesome. Wow. That is really cool, guys. I really love that the TNT is inside the television. That is really funny, guys. That is really funny. I bet that's going to freak somebody out. They're going to be like, I don't remember placing that TNT down. And then they're going to be really, really afraid. And hopefully they throw this all out. And then I'm there to pick it up, guys. Because I want all of this. But if you guys did enjoy this video, which I know you guys did, please make sure to like, comment, and most importantly, smash that red subscribe button. And until next time, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.